The first step is switch to the blue logging mode. I'll right-click on my edit so the view selector stays open. Click on the logging mode, pick a part of the video that you want to assign a marker to, drag the source timecode to the in timecode. Make sure it falls underneath the light gray line so it ends up at this location. Simply type a description for the shot and hit the return key. You'll notice that the in column has your timecode mark, but there's no timecode in the out column. And of course, under the shot, you have the marker name. If you switch over by left-clicking on the source blue side edit, there's your marker. If you hover over it, you'll see an overlay of the marker name. And if you pull a string out or an edit from source to record, the marker will appear there as well.